What?
Yep.
What are you, Cuckoo?
Yes. I'm Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Today we'll be doing Sonny's The Cuckoo Bird backstory for Exhibit A, the mascot of Cocoa Puffs. Is Sonny the Cuckoo Bird. It was first introduced back in 1962. Exhibit B. Sonny's name comes about because he was originally always it was Grandpa who could be called Sonny when young or old. Exhibit C. Sonny tries to do his best to do his jobs, but always loses his cool. Whenever there's something munchy, crunchy, and more juggly, that's why Sonny is Cocoa. Well, we're getting to the bottom of the Serial Mysteries. And that was it for backstories of Sonny the Cuckoo Bird. That's why Cuckoo Bird is cuckoo. Keep in mind, 2019,